Hey, Ken Jones, affiliate marketing, six-figure funnels, guys. So, affiliate marketing with Shopify. How can we do it with Shopify? Well, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know anything about Shopify, but I've come across this course. It's learn how to launch your own Shopify store in as little as 2 hours. It's a free course that you can give away, or you can just buy the funnel off me for a minimum charge of $47. The link will be in the description. The link will be in the description if you just want to take a course, a Shopify course, or if you just want to buy the funnel so you can refer other people to Shopify and produce yourself a separate one of your multiple streams of income. Because remember, guys, people fail, systems don't. Simple as that. Let's have a quick look at this funnel then, shall we? So, if you want to buy the funnel, if you want to get involved with the funnel, start getting your Shopify commissions. So, where are we going to go to the first one? Okay, so this is the first step in the funnel. If you want to obviously get people into Shopify, people, obviously you target people that's already looking for Shopify, or you're doing solo ads. That's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm sending email blasts out with solo ads, offering the free course, a 300% free training course to Shopify. People want it, they don't, they want it. People they don't. So what happens is this. So when you've got access to the funnel, you can obviously put your own integration in and your own tracking codes, which is something we'll go over in detail in a different video. This is what the course looks like, guys. Let's go quickly here. That's, if you're wondering, that's a ClickFunnels editor, that is. Maybe see, that's a funnel, so it'll be home. You'll have your confirmation, so that's your login, your confirmation. That'll be sign up to Shopify and get right into your training. Then you'll have your login with your password, and then you'll have your membership area. It's the same one. So that's the second step in the funnel, which is that one. You go to your free trial or start your free training right now. And so yeah, let's just go through the funnel quickly. Shopify Master Live, that's what your funnel will be called. If you're interested in giving away this course for free and generating leads, possibly you want to generate leads for getting people into Shopify, people that are interested in Shopify, want to know how to set up their course, give them this course for free. Obviously in all these tabs are my links. 14-day free trial for Shopify, and my number one recommended traffic program. Visit the blog, shop inspect, 14-day free trial there. Visit Shopify for free business tool center. Okay, they're all links, my links. Obviously, if you get this funnel, so you can promote this course to other people, you put your own links in here. And I'm guessing if you've got ClickFunnels, you know how to do that. If not, check out one of my videos. There'll be a link to the description somewhere here. How to put your own links in your own funnels. So that's it. So basically, you give away this course for free in exchange for someone's email. 20% of people are 20% of the people that you're going to say, for example, you send a blast to a solo email provider and you get 1,000 clicks. Well, if 20% of those people are going to opt in, and then you got another, say, 2% of people that actually go into the store, so with, I don't know, about £300 worth of email blasts, you get 4 people to sign up. That's paid for your funnel already. It's not that hard, and in the same time you're building up your email list, so you can retarget your list to sell them other promotional features. Maybe internet traffic mastery is my recommended traffic course. There'll be a link in the description down there. Sorry, link in the description if you want to check that out. I've also got a free course, how to get free traffic. Link in the description. This basically is a short video letting you know that if you are looking to target people that are wanting to open their Shopify store, I've got this course, this 2-hour free course that they can have. Shows them how to set up their course. You're signing up with Shopify, launch your store, customize your store settings, updating your theme and adding your Facebook pixel and Google Analytics. Policies, terms of service, you got creating and collection of Groupon codes, connecting the Oberlo app, blah, 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 and fulfillment. So basically, if you want to buy this funnel so you can re-advertise it and start getting commissions from people that are interested in Shopify, the voice inside this is a different voice. It's not my voice, it's somebody else's. So in a way, this funnel is white labeled. So you want to go ahead and purchase this funnel off me. I'll give you just a quick example. It might sound a bit weird, but I'll just play it a sec so you can hear his voice.
Hi there, welcome. We're going to take you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Shopify store.
Okay, so that's the voice, the white labeled voice that's inside this course, okay? That voice goes through all of these videos and it shows you how to set up your store from start to beginning. You swap out your links in the editor. That's a video for a different day. Basically, cool. Everybody's interested in, I suppose you could call it, is like a lead magnet or a piece of cheese, you'd call it in affiliate marketing. You need a piece of cheese or you need a lead magnet. You need to give away something for free. So if you're making YouTube videos or you've got a landing page and you're doing solo ad providers or you're doing YouTube videos, you just get in front of the right people that are making videos about Shopify stores. Offer them this course for free. It gets people interested, you get to build your email list up, and you get Shopify commissions from the people that actually want to set up their store. You give away the course for free. You can go ahead and resell this funnel if you want. You got private rights. The voice inside the videos is white labeled. If you want to know how to, if you're new to ClickFunnels, I suggest you get a ClickFunnels store. Sign up to ClickFunnels free trial. The link will be in the description. It's nice and easy, guys. It's just a lead magnet, piece of cheese. If you're interested in Shopify, then go through the course. Just sign up to the link below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be bringing out loads more funnels similar to this. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the don't like button. Either way, I need to know if these videos are really good, guys. Creating a bit of value for you. Hit the comments, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Check out this video next. Just going over here, and then hit the series, hit the playlist. We're going to go from there. All right. Cool. Peace.